I bet you didn't know these 12 foods can help manage diabetes. Today, we're talking about one of the most common chronic conditions out there, diabetes. Specifically, we're going to cover the top 12 foods that can help you manage your blood sugar and improve your overall health. Always talk to your doctor before making changes to your diet or health plan. First up is bitter gourd. This humble vegetable is often overlooked, but it holds immense potential for those managing diabetes. This vegetable is a powerhouse for managing diabetes, containing compounds like charantin and polypeptide P, which are known to lower glucose levels effectively. These compounds work synergistically to help maintain balanced blood sugar levels. Bitter gourd also boosts insulin production and improves insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to utilize insulin efficiently. This can be particularly beneficial for those with insulin resistance. It helps protect the pancreas, the organ responsible for producing insulin, ensuring it remains healthy and functional. A healthy pancreas is crucial for overall diabetes management. Consume it cooked or juiced. Many find fresh bitter gourd juice on an empty stomach effective. This method is popular because it allows for quick absorption of its beneficial compounds. If you dislike the taste, try it in powdered form mixed with water. This alternative can be just as effective and is easier to incorporate into your daily routine. Incorporating bitter gourd into your diet can lead to noticeable improvements in blood sugar levels. Regular consumption can make a significant difference in your overall health and diabetes management. Next is black plum, a fruit revered in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. This fruit and its seeds contain powerful compounds like jamboline and jambosine. These compounds are known to increase insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar levels, making them particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes. During black plum season, which typically spans the summer months, aim to eat about 10 to 15 plums daily to maximize their health benefits. Black plums are also rich in essential vitamins such as A and C. These vitamins play a crucial role in boosting your immune system, helping your body fend off illnesses. When black plums are out of season, you can still reap their benefits by using black plum seed powder. Simply mix the powder with water and consume it after meals. Black plum is also effective in fighting oxidative stress and inflammation, which are common issues in individuals with diabetes. This helps in reducing complications associated with the condition. Additionally, black plum aids the pancreas in producing insulin more effectively, thereby helping in better diabetes control and overall health management. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, fenugreek leaves, and drumstick leaves are essential for diabetes management. They're low in calories and carbohydrates, perfect for blood sugar control. Their high fiber content slows sugar absorption, preventing spikes. Packed with vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C, they fight inflammation. Drumstick leaves boost insulin production with their ascorbic acid content. Include these vegetables in salads, soups, or cooked dishes. They help manage blood sugar and support cardiovascular health. Chia seeds are small but mighty for diabetes management. These tiny seeds are loaded with soluble fiber, which forms a gel in your stomach that slows down sugar absorption, helping to keep your blood sugar levels stable. Chia seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation and improve insulin response. They promote a sense of fullness, aiding in weight management and preventing overeating. To get the most benefits, soak 1 tablespoon in water for 20 minutes before consuming. You can easily add them to smoothies, yogurt, salads, or even your favorite meals. Consuming them twice a day can significantly stabilize blood sugar levels. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch for diabetes control, making them a simple yet effective addition to your daily diet. Oats are a top diabetes-friendly breakfast option. Raw or minimally processed oats are best for blood sugar control. Their high-soluble fiber content, particularly beta-glucan, slows carbohydrate absorption. Oats have a low glycemic index, preventing dramatic blood sugar spikes. They're also a good source of magnesium, crucial for glucose metabolism. Start your day with oatmeal topped with berries, nuts, or cinnamon. Enjoy a delicious and diabetes-friendly breakfast. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are fantastic for diabetes. They're high in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, improving insulin sensitivity and regulating blood sugar. Berries have a low glycemic index, causing a slower rise in blood sugar. They combat oxidative stress and inflammation, common in diabetes. Their high fiber content aids digestion and slows sugar absorption. Add berries to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack. Beans are nutritional powerhouses for diabetes management. They are rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Beans have a low glycemic index, preventing rapid blood sugar spikes. Their high fiber content aids weight management and digestive health. Beans are packed with magnesium and potassium, vital for blood sugar regulation. Include kidney beans, chickpeas, and soybeans in salads, soups, and main meals. Beans are a must-have for a balanced diabetic diet. Nuts are nutritional powerhouses for diabetes management. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Nuts have a low glycemic index, stabilizing blood sugar levels. Walnuts and almonds are particularly beneficial, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Regularly consuming nuts can lower LDL cholesterol and reduce heart disease risk. Include a small portion of nuts in your daily diet as a snack or meal addition. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are beneficial for diabetes. They're high in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for fighting inflammation and improving blood vessel function. Omega-3s improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance. Fatty fish are also excellent sources of high-quality protein, aiding weight management. Include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Enjoy their incredible health benefits for diabetes management. Eggs are a healthy and beneficial part of a diabetic diet. They're versatile, packed with nutrients, and support blood sugar control. Eggs' high-quality protein content slows sugar absorption, stabilizing blood sugar levels. They contain healthy fats that improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Consuming eggs regularly does not increase heart disease risk in diabetics. Studies show eggs can improve heart health markers. Enjoy eggs for breakfast, lunch, or dinner as a nutritious addition to your diet. Greek yogurt is a great dairy choice for diabetes. It's higher in protein and lower in carbohydrates than regular yogurt. Greek yogurt's probiotics improve insulin sensitivity and digestion. It contains conjugated linoleic acid, linked to improved insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. High calcium content supports bone health, crucial for diabetics. Enjoy Greek yogurt plain or with berries, nuts, or honey for a nutritious snack. Broccoli is a nutritional superstar for diabetes management. It's low in calories and carbohydrates, high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Broccoli's fiber content slows sugar absorption, preventing spikes. It's rich in vitamin C and magnesium, essential for glucose metabolism. Sulforaphane in broccoli improves glucose control and reduces inflammation. Include broccoli in your diet by steaming, roasting, or adding to dishes. There you have it, 12 incredible foods for managing diabetes and improving health. Incorporate these foods into your diet, along with exercise and proper medication. Consult with your healthcare provider for a personalized meal plan. Make small, sustainable changes to take control of your health and live your best life with diabetes.